find the derivative at x equals -1. So first we have to find the derivative. To do that, we have to take this stuff in the denominator and bring it up to the top. We do that by putting a parenthesis around everything in the denominator and making it -1. Right? So on the bottom, this used to just be, if you imagine, to the first power down there. So now we'll bring it up with a -1. So now we can apply the power rule. So take the derivative. So do that times the 2, which is -2. Okay. And then this new power becomes, subtract 1 from -1. It gets more negative, becomes -2. And then, always don't forget, look inside the parentheses and take the derivative. That's 2x. Okay? So at this point, before we go plugging in x equals -1, let's clean up our derivative. Anything that gets to stay on the top, let's see, -2 times 2x is -4x. That gets to stay up top, but all the stuff with the -2 power has to go down below. And we make it a +2 power. Now we can take this problem here, okay? So we can take this problem here and we can plug in at x equals -1, we can do y prime at -1. This means putting in the -1 right there. -1 there, put in a -1 there. What are we going to get? Let's see, -4 times -1 is 4. On the bottom, -1 squared plus 2 all squared is, let's see, that's just -1 times -1 is 1, plus 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. 4/9. 4/9 is our answer. That is the derivative at a particular point. Okay, 24 wants us to find the derivative at a particular point, x equals 2. So we're going to look at the polynomial here and just take the derivative. Should be pretty easy. 3x squared, 2 times 3 is 6, and that's nothing. So now we just have to plug in y prime at 2. That's 3 times 2 to the 4, 2 squared, and 6 times 2. Let's see, that's 2 squared is 4, times 3 is 12. Minus 12, so we get 0. That is our derivative at a particular point.